In the previously loved section of North County Indian Motorcycle, we have a 2013 Electra Glide Classic, black with a silver pinstripe. Previous owner installed some apes and a nice fairing, a bunch of storage in it. Previous owner also installed some Vance & Hines pipes. Got a 6-speed transmission and a V-twin engine. See the mileage, 38,696 miles. And let's start it up and hear those pipes. This bike is available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.